Hello, I'm Amelia, and today I'm showing you how easy it is to install a GROHE QuickFix kitchen faucet using GROHE Start as an example here. It sounds complicated, but it's not. An important note beforehand, this installation also applies to many other models, even if your model looks completely different. And one more thing, of course you should turn off the water before installation. So, let's get started. First, let's check what's in the box. Of course, it doesn't hurt to take a look at the enclosed assembly instructions. Using the QR code, you'll find further important information and eventually the installation video. To install your new faucet, all you need is an adjustable spanner or a matching spanner. Let's get started then. First, you have to slide this black gasket over the hoses so that no water can flow between the tap and the sink later. Then insert carefully. Ready. Now slide the fastening over the fastening bolt under the wash basin with the rubber holder facing upwards. Then simply hand tighten until the faucet no longer twists on the wash basin. Next, it's the flexible connection hoses turn. These already have an integrated seal and can be easily connected directly to the angle valves. The right-hand hose is always for cold water and is also connected to the right-hand angle valve, as the cold water connection is located there. The left-hand hose is for hot water and goes to the left-hand angle valve. You simply place the screw connection on the thread and turn it hand tight until it stops on the thread of the angle valve. Then tighten firmly with the spanner until the connection is tight. Make sure that the hoses do not become kinked or twisted. It's best to hold the hoses by hand or with a suitable tool when tightening them. Super! Is the water flowing? Now slowly open the angle valves and check that everything is tight. Here's a little tip. First turn the angle valves all the way to the left and then back again a half or quarter turn. The valves can then also be operated very easily in the future. And now you can test your new faucet. Done! Not so hard after all, right?